Hello guys, review Nubia Neo 2 by ZTE. This version 8GB memory and 256GB Intel memory, gray color. Price of this device about $200. Okay, and open box. Gaming device, better gaming for all. Open box, and this we have protected back cover, documentary and key for SIM slot. Okay, device of course, gray color, gaming design. We have 6.72-inch display Full HD plus 120 Hz, octa-core processor, built for gamers device. Okay, on this we have protected we have charger with quick charge and Type-C to Type-C cable. Good compactation and slot for SIM cards and micro SD card. Warm bottoms, power button on this side, downside Type-C port, speaker without headphones jack, double camera on the back side, Full HD plus display. Okay, open settings. About phone we have my OS version 13 and Android version 13. Okay, Geekbench 6 look results, single core score, multi-core score and GPU test results. Okay, Mali G57 is GPU and Unisoc T820 GPU. Under the benchmark results, very good performance by this device. Open PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level, high frame rate and high graphics. Settings, max and ultra frame rate and graphics very high for this price device. Close, okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera 50 plus 2 megapixels. Let's see these photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.